Okay, so all the flooring material has been removed from the cab area and the aisleway in the patient care area. All in all, it's pretty good. There was a lot of wetness. As you can see, there still is over there. Hard to tell at this point if it's some fluid that's been leaking or some water that's been coming in and is getting the oil out of the flooring material that was there. Anyway, we'll look at that in more detail in the next few days. Here in the floor pan, mostly surface rust, but the metal seems to be pretty thin. May have to replace this part here. On the passenger side, just surface rust. No real wetness over there. It's just the oil in the flooring material. I think that's over there. It's not water. And in the aisleway here, this is just surface rust. So just a good cleaning will do the trick. And hopefully later this week I'll be able to start to work on this again. And as always, it's just a miracle that these things didn't catch on fire any more often. There are just wires everywhere.